Morning, this is Grandma Freeman, and this morning it's bright and early. It's not even 8 o'clock yet, and I'm about to make a recipe, my own recipe. It's in the Freeman Family Cookbook. It's called Oatmeal Apple Crisp, and these are the ingredients needed to prepare this. This is going to be my breakfast this morning, and I'll probably get this done, I hope, by 9 a.m. So, okay, what you'll need is oatmeal. You can use quick oats. You need Bisquick. You need brown sugar, and it's in this right here, and white sugar, and it's there. And you need lemon juice and apples. Now, I only have 4 apples, but these are pretty good size. My recipe calls for 6, but I think 4 will be all right because oatmeal is, and Bisquick, which is flour, and it's mixed with the shortening already in it, I believe. So, and also you'll need cinnamon, and you need baking soda, and you need half a cup of margarine. So with these ingredients, you'll be able to make this recipe. And if you want to get a screenshot, go ahead and try to get that now. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is the first thing I'm going to do is peel and core these apples, and I have the tools over here to do that. I'm going to use this apple tool. It's cores the apple, and then it makes it in little convenient little pieces, and this is great for children because they're easy to peel after that. And so I've got my handy duty peeler and a knife. I got this new set of knives for my son for Christmas, and they're just really handy. And that's one of them right there. That's not the smallest one, but it's a pretty good paring knife. And I'm going to mix the apples in this bowl with lemon juice and sugar. And then I'm going to mix the dry ingredients in this little bowl, and I have everything handy there to do it, all my tools. And so the recipe, which I'll show you here, okay, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350. I'm going to peel, core, and slice the apples in a mixing bowl. I'm going to stir in the sugar, apples, and lemon juice, of course, with the sliced apples, and mix that all together. And then in that smaller bowl, I'm going to mix the remaining ingredients together with a fork until the dough is soft and crumbly. And then I'm going to press in that same bowl, or no, I'm going to get either a pie plate or a baking dish, and I'm going to press 1/2 of the mixture onto the bottom and sides of an ungreased pie plate, it shows here, but I'm going to use something a little bit larger. And then I'm going to arrange the apples on the bottom of the crust and sprinkle the remaining oat mixture on the top of the apples. And then I'm going to bake it 45 to 50 minutes or until the crust is formed on the top. And then I'm going to cool it on a baker's rack. Okay, so what we're having here is the apples are going to be in the center of the crust, and it's going to make a delicious breakfast. Here are the ingredients that I am using, and I'm going to cut back on some of the sugar and let the apples be the main part because I need to, because I'm trying to keep my weight down. I will cut back on and use 1/2 cup of brown sugar instead of a whole cup. And instead of using the margarine, I may substitute that for half a cup of peanut butter. And that will be my binder and my oil, because there's oil in peanut butter. Okay, kids, thanks for watching. Bye now.